Welcome to Herbal Snippets. I'm Rosalee de la Forêt, here to share quick, practical insights about herbs. I'm also the founder of Herbs with Rosalee, an herbal school, community, and podcast where we celebrate the art of herbalism together. Want to learn more? Visit herbswithrosalee.com or check out the link in the description to join our free herbal community. Now, let's dive into today's Herbal Snippet. Have you ever had swollen lymph glands? One of the most common experiences is feeling swollen lymph glands in your throat when you have a cold or other upper respiratory infection. For simple lymphatic stagnation, the Cleavers plant gently moves lymph. Cleavers can be used for both acute situation as well as long-term stagnations. It's especially called for when the lymphatic stagnation is accompanied by signs of heat. For example, the whole area feels warm to the touch with redness or swelling. Since cleavers emerge in the spring, it is also perfect for the sort of stagnation that builds up from heavy foods and the potentially sedentary times of winter. Of course, swollen lymph glands can be a serious sign, so it's always a good idea to get that checked out by a medical professional to rule out complications, especially if the lymphatic swelling is sticking around for a while. Cancer can affect the lymphatic system, and there are many historical references to using cleavers for cancer. But to date, there have been no human clinical trials involving cleavers in people with cancer. However, there are a small handful of in vitro studies on a couple of cleavers plant species which show promising results for head and neck cancers as well as breast cancers. It'll be interesting to see how that research develops. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.